Hey yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Simba. We're chilling at home. And yeah, this is gonna be a short little video, but it's a special moment for me and for you guys. Yeah, I got something in the mail, as you can see. A little package from YouTube. I guess we all know what it is. I would say let's unwrap it together. Let's go! Alright. Excited. Oh, let me see, buddy. Come on. Nice. Oh, I'm nervous. Do you see Simba? Oh, okay. First, a letter from YouTube. I'm not gonna read the whole letter, but thank you. Oh, I don't know, not important, not important, not important, but this is important. Oh, there it is. It has been so much work. 5 years of videos. Whew. Oh, it looks awesome. 100,000. Yeah, no, I just wanted to share this moment with you guys because it has been 5 or 6 years of uploading videos. I think around 240 YouTube videos. It has also been a lot of work, and I'm really thankful for Gian and Robin, my team, and also you guys. It wouldn't have been possible to reach 100,000 subscribers without you guys. So thanks a lot for that. And yeah, you also know we reached now 100,000. The next goal is gonna be a 1 million. So yeah, the road starts today. Road to 1 million subscribers. And if you guys have an idea for a 100k special video, I'm down to do something. If you have a funny idea, let me know in the comments, and yeah, maybe we'll do it. So yeah, keep subscribing, comment and like the video, and there's soon gonna be the World Champs vlog up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, peace out. Thanks for support.